Okay. Hello, guys, and we are catching birds again, right, Sophie? Right, Sophie? Okay. So, my position is right here. And
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna look under this log and see what we can find.
okay,
Hopefully, there's a totem here. Come here, Gabe.
okay. I thought we were gonna catch birds. Are we still gonna catch birds?
Yeah. Hey, guys. So I'm gonna flip on this log and see what we can find.
Yeah.
So you better comment down below, cause I will kill you if you don't. Smash it. 1, 2. Oh wait, guys, wait. And guys, I did not look under here. Stop. Okay. Whoa, toad! Don't get away, toad. And then there's a glove. Where did that glove go? Guys, I found a glove.
Okay, but guys, okay, but when we're catching birds, this is my position when the trap's not finished. Basically, I stand. Oh, nice. Basically, I stand right here and I throw a genuine weapon at the birds, so they can get away. Get out of this town. Yeah, stuff like that.
Okay, guys.
So, Sophie, could you drag this wood? Could you? Okay, Sophie, could you just put that in the container? Those in the container, and then like put that little triangle.
Oh, hey guys, we're gonna make like a little glove golden. Here, take this wood. Oh, get over here, bro. Take this wood. Go put it over here. Just take the blade.
I have to use the restroom.
Hold on, guys. Yes, use the restroom. I'm gonna go
hold
in.
Hold it. Hold it.
Hold on.
Hold it before I poop my pants.
Okay.
I'm about to poop my pants.
On.
I'm gonna poop my
Hold
pants.
on, guys. I have to put this log in my little pocket.
I'm gonna poop my pants. I have to go. I have to go.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, can you shut the F up? Oh, can you just shut up? Okay, guys. So, I'm just gonna relax until the, what's it called? Until Gabe gets it back, okay, guys? Could take a while. I'm not saying.